355.
355? I guess it built up a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit? Y'all having a good time today?
Yes, sir. How about you?
Well, other than getting hot, I'm having a real good time.
That's all we can ask for.
All right, y'all have a good one.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Now, this is one beautiful car. I love it.
Thank you.
We do too.
Yeah, what year is it?
55.
55. It's a Montclair.
Murphy Montclair.
It's beautiful. Well, y'all have a good day.
Thank you.
Yeah, get on me for holding traffic up. How you doing, man?
Chitlins.
I've been waiting for you for an hour, man, and you ain't showed up yet. I've been waiting all day for the damn limo. You guys gonna have to get better at this stuff. We got some girls here.
Yes.
Yeah, y'all having a good time today?
Having a great time.
Yeah. What is this? 64? The 64?
Yes, 64.
Well, y'all got a beautiful car here.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good day. You have a good one, man?
Right. Yeah,
Have a
sure
good
did.
time?
Yep, good time.
Man, I love this old truck.
It's always a good
I love
time
just
here.
all original like this.
Yep. Thank you, bud.
You know what I'm
Appreciate it.
saying?
Yep. Thank you, man.
Don't run what's beautiful.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. All right, you have a good one, buddy. This Wayne's World.
Yeah, I wish.
Now I bet this damn car runs like a scalded dog, don't it?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. I bet it does all the time.
That's right.
We want a picture. If I get your way there, buddy, you just holler at me. If I get your way, you just holler at me. How y'all doing today?
Good. How are you?
Y'all have a good time, man?
We are.
What is this, a 63 or 64?
62.
62. Oh, that's
late
right, it's got the little tilt.
It's a late 62.
Yeah. All right, y'all have a good one, buddy.
Later.
You better pull him over, they're going too fast. Why get a DUI? Breaking the speed limit. He ain't got no damn seatbelt on.
All right, now which one of y'all is the sheriff?
Him.
You the deputy?
Yeah.
All right, y'all have a good one.
You too.
What kind of ride's that one? Try to get you around
One at a
there.
time.
How you doing, man? What are you
Hey,
asking
hey.
for your Mustang?
16.5.
All right, what's it got underneath the hood?
All stock. Factory 302.
All right. Have a good one, buddy. Is this your first year out here?
No.
Oh, really?
It's my 13th.
13? Damn. All right, where you from?
Louisville.
All right, man. Have a good one, buddy.
You too.
Nice car.
Thank you.
You're lucky.
I know.
Where's my root beer?
1969.
Huh?
You ran out.
This is a 69. Y'all from Louisville?
Yeah, Shepherdsville.
That's where I'm from.
Are you?
Yeah.
Well, we won't hold that against you.
All right. I won't hold against you either. Y'all have a good one. What's that got? A 455 in it? Is that what that 6.6 is? What is it?
400.
Oh, yeah? That's a good looking old car, man. You don't see too many like that. You have a good one.